Hi, my name is Michael, and I run a Facebook ad agency specialized in chiropractors. I made this short video to show you how to attract high quality patients using Facebook ads. This proven ad campaign has helped tons of chiropractic businesses all across the nation. So let me know what you think. The power of Facebook giving us, not only can we target people in the whole location, but we can also target people from X amount of miles from your practice. We can also target people with their zip code. We can also target people with their age bracket, like it is shown right here. So we can change this to the specific age you want to advertise to. We can also change it to specific gender you want to advertise it, such as man or woman. One thing is that's also powerful is Facebook is connected to three of the most powerful data keeping companies in the world. So Facebook generates all this data and knows the perfect people to put your advertisement in front of. Also, we can target people based on what they are talking about online or what their interest is on Facebook or pretty much what they've been looking for online. So if anybody goes on, let's say Google and types in chiropractor or types in anything health related, we can show that advertisement to those people due to what they've said online because Facebook has all that data that can help us. So what I've done is I've done a little um, short ad. It's pretty much something like this. So, you're gonna see an ad like this, and when they click on it, when they click on the land more, so what actually happens is most people will actually want to know more about something. You cannot advertise to people, and the first thing you want to do is to sell to them. Once they see the land more and they click on it, it's gonna send them to this link. This is a landing page, and what it is this is not like the regular landing pages you receive with the static image. This is a video landing page where we have a timer to get to grab the person's attention. That hey, you pretty much create a sense of uh, rush, if I could say that, for them. So it goes, hey Greensboro, I'm doing something crazy to promote our chiropractic office. You know, click on the button below to receive your voucher. First, on that first advertisement, I say we have about 25 vouchers left. But see right here, I say it's 10 left. So what I was trying to create is that hey, you have to hurry up to get yours. On the advertisement, it had 25, but now we only have 10 left. Once you click on here, or even if you try to go out, most of the time it pops up. But once you click my voucher, it will take you to this page where you can put your information on, and then it takes you to the thank you page, which also has a video at the back. So most of the time, people will just want to say thank you, and I'll call you later. What I did is different. It's a different approach. Say thank you. Due to the limited number of spots available, consultation will be given on a first call basis. Call us now to secure your spot. So that is gonna make them call you because they want to secure their spot. If by the time they get to this page, they are really into it. In the past, I've seen a similar ad campaign generate up to 100 leads within a 24-hour period for a chiropractor. I would like to implement the same strategy if given the opportunity into your practice. But here's the offer. You don't have to pay a dime for my service. The only thing you would have to pay is a $500 budget for the ad campaign. Everything else you don't have to pay. I will implement the same strategy, build the ad, do the landing pages, everything for you for free out of my time. Just pay for the ad campaign. Reason why I'm doing this is I believe in earning for your business and not asking for it. If we do this campaign and you start to see results, you start getting uh, more calls and most importantly start making more money, and you would like to move forward in becoming a client, we can also do that. But for now, I would like to show you what I can do to bring more clients and more customers, and most importantly, more money into your practice. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for your time.